Now, what is the total amount of withholding tax levied on the payments made by XYZ? So they are referring to the payments made by XYZ in the financial year 31st October 2018. So they gave us the detail over here. It says that XYZ made the following payments in the financial year ended 31st October 2018. The fee for maintenance services on a machine in XXB factory premises in Malaysia, and out-of-pocket expenses, taxi fare during the visit. I'm you know, this is the part that usually I don't like examiners' way of doing question. It's called XYZ, but then the short form is XXB, and then sometimes you'll be wondering like, what is that? It's actually that company lah. Okay, so they're getting Qatar to do maintenance, and then Qatar will also charge them for taxi fare when they're around. So there's a reimbursement if you look at it. Okay, and then XSB also pay to movers, which is a resident, the crane. They order a crane, and movers actually rented the crane from Thailand, a non-resident company. So of all these payments, the question is how much and what kind of withholding tax that we need to impose, and which amount. Now that's the thing that you have to consider. Now, so we can see that this 100,000 is subject to withholding tax under special class of payment, and the withholding tax rate is 10%. Now, this 1,000 is part and parcel of the payment. If you remember the example I gave before in the class, we talk about airfare, and I say that you know, if the non-resident don't bill you for the airfare, basically then you have to pay for it as part of the fees. They will either they put it in or they don't put it in. Okay. Now, then on the other side, right? If you look at the crane is also under withholding tax, right? It's under special class of income because we call this as rental of movable property. If you ask me, so do you need a withholding tax for the 35,000? The answer is yes, you need. But the question is, who is responsible to pay? It's mover, you see. Because mover is the one that engaged the Thai company and not you. So you got to be very clear about what you're dealing with in the question. So in this case, the question asks, what will XYZ or XSB be paying? So XSB will only pay for this. And because the withholding tax rate is 10%, so you will be paying 100, so it's 10,100. So the answer is C.